What you got?
A phone? Is that your phone?
Can you give Grandpa the phone? Grandpa?
How do you open that, Barb? What do you have to push to get
The phone?
No, the CD player.
Oh, it's a pretend. They're pretended.
No, but how do you get the thing open so it says open and close? What's that?
Does it? What's next? What's next? Sydney? Your phone's ringing. I didn't do that. Isn't that funny? Who is it? Who's there? Who's on the phone? Huh? Is it Grandma Emily? Huh?
Hi.
It's like she wants to get on her knees.
She gets to all fours and then falls back down.
What's in there? A diaper.
Thank you.
Is that Mommy's present? You think that's funny, huh?
Thank you.
Anything else?
I love you so much.
Yeah, her coordination, being able to open the bag.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Get something and pull it out. I mean,
She has a really good pincer grasp too.
She wasn't able to.
It's really neat that you haven't used Incy or Nest, so you can see a big difference.
Yeah.
Sydney, what you got? She opened it for
Looks
you.
like a diaper. Smells like a diaper.
Sydney, there's something in here. Where are you going? Oh. Cookies. What you got?
I wonder if she knows it's food.
You know, this is the first time I've done a movie on this. I had to get a new camera because the other one broke. It's a long movie.
No battery.
Where's the...